Hello, connections. This is Satish Lingam, and I am welcome you all to the successful third episode of the season one of AI things. So I am the director. Okay, okay, cool. I know that a lot of people there are saying, please stop saying the director or a director of Bahubali or KGF. You think yourself as Rajmouli. Okay, you people have a mindset of that, so I don't want to say that again. I'm the director and all that blah blah blahs again. Okay, so that's it. I won't say that again. Okay, before getting into the video, I want to clarify you few things about this series. So yeah, from in the intro, I was saying that it is an LinkedIn based original series, but why I am posting it in YouTube is because yes, truly LinkedIn is the reason behind this AI things. It influenced me to do so, but YouTube is just a posting platform. Okay, so in LinkedIn is basically not a platform for an video kind of thing. It's just for an job search or a kind of a learning platform. So I don't want to post these videos in that platform. So I just wanna give the links of the episodes, and I wanna post that in the LinkedIn, and YouTube will be a platform which gonna have my episodes. So yes, and I wanna also clarify one thing to you all. So that's my videos is not gonna get monetized because of the copyright issues that I had in the intro. Yes, in the intro, that Stranger Things theme. So it's clear, and YouTube said that it don't gonna monetize my video. So don't think I am doing this for the lack of money or popularity. No, it's just knowledge transfer. I want to give you an overview of what is artificial intelligence. That's it. Okay, let's jump into the video. Come on. Okay, let's start from the end of the last episode slide. So yeah, this is where we ended our last episode. So I just said I'm gonna teach you supervised, unsupervised, and semi-supervised learning. So yes, now next slide I will be explaining you clearly what is say supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised. Okay, I'm getting you the next slide. Yes, first of all, supervised learning. So I don't wanna give you any text and all typings, so I just directly printed my Excel sheet, and I gonna teach you with a pen. Here it is. Yeah, okay. So supervised learning. Oh, okay. First of all, supervised learning means, as I said earlier, uh, this fraud is the data set we're gonna take for our learning, for a model creation purpose. Okay. So here, supervised learning means these are the columns. This step, type, and amount, balance, new balance, original and destination, and is for these are the columns. There are 8 columns totally. So in this 8 columns, there will be a more than 2000 or 3000 records. I don't bother about them now. So just want to make you understand supervised learning. In these 7 columns, these 8 columns, okay, sorry, 8 columns. These 7 columns are input columns which we want to provide to the model, and this is fraud is gonna be our output column. So you can visualize yourself that this will be gonna be the input, and this if this data come into the model, are we gonna predict it, whether the data is whether the transaction is fraud or not fraud is gonna be our result. So this is our output column. So if so the definition is, so yeah, the definition is, when the output column is present in the dataset itself, it is called supervised learning. That's it, simple. Don't get into any definitions, and don't get into any those stuffs. Just made clear, this is the supervised learning. So unsupervised learning. So yeah, this is unsupervised learning. Here we have a data set. Oh, my pen, yeah, here is my pen. Okay, things are not going well. Yeah, okay, I got it. So this is a mall customers data set. Here we have the columns of customer ID, uh, gender and age, annual income of the person, and the spending score in a form of 1 to 100. They are giving a rating of 3981, their spending score. That's not a concept here. So in this 1 2 3 4 5 columns, we don't know what is our output column, so that's not the problem. So here in unsupervised learning, what's the problem is, we don't know which is the output column, so which going to predict. So here we're gonna do just a clustering. So clustering is nothing but we are gonna gather the data in form of clusters. Here there's one cluster, here then one cluster, here one cluster, that and all will be done with the model. It will say how many clusters will be for this data set will be we can produce, which is the best. So that is unsupervised learning. We don't have an output column in our data set, so we're gonna just do an data gathering, and we gonna use that for a very good concept of digital marketing. That is one beautiful concept. So then what is semi-supervised? So you can just pause your video and you can think a bit, you can search in the Google for what is semi-supervised learning. So search and come back for in a while. So semi-supervised learning is nothing but we, for example, let's consider this as our output column, and we have some missing datas in our output column here, and yeah, here, yeah, and here we have some missing datas. So in this case we're gonna take only the output records which have contain the data, and we're gonna create a model for this 1 2 3, and here we're gonna create a model for this records, and we make it supervised learning by making that, and we can do prediction for this fourth, and where are the records are missing, so we can predict them, and we can wholly uh, take that as a data set, and we can again process that. That is called a semi-supervised learning. So next slide is like, so okay, based on the output column we can classify our model into regression and classification. So we can see this in our next episode. So keep with me, stay with me.